Hello, good afternoon today. How is everybody? Good morning, good night, good afternoon, good evening. It's AB Media. Please try and subscribe. My sister and my brothers, try and subscribe for my YouTube, AB Media. Today I want to talk about for some bad friends that you will follow in your house or your friend, even though as a single girl or married woman following a girls making friends. You have to know the kind of friends that you're doing. You have to know the kind of friends that you match with you. You have to know, even for me, I have do friends. I don't gain anything in friends. You understand? There's some friends you will do. You will see that there's some friends you will do. You will see that they are just, when you tell them something that will be good for you and something good that is coming in your way, you will see the thing will block. The business, anything that you tell them, the thing will block. The thing will not move good. But there's some friends you will tell something, their heart is clean. But you have to be aware of friends, bad friends. Because some of us, you can tell your friends, oh, this one is my friend. You tell him your secrets, you tell him about your life, everything. You still go outside and tell many people. Tell them, don't mind this one, you're just messing up, you're just doing this, you're just doing that. So, my sister, my friends, you have to know, choose the kind of people that you call your friends. It's not friends that will laugh in their mouth, they will laugh in your face. Oh, my good friend. In your back, if you hear what those kind of people are saying about you, you will regret why you're making this kind of friend. You will even, the best thing is to stay and use God as your friend, because no friend in this world. Before you can see a friend, tight friend, in this world, my dear, me, I think it's not possible. I have do friends. I have lose a lot of things in because I'm doing friends. I have do a lot of friends. Do a lot of friends. No, I don't like friends, but I will stay. I will see somebody. I want to be your friend. Sometimes I say, which friend? I don't need a friend. There's no friend in this world now. This one is, you can be saying, you and this person is friend. This one can do that. My dear sister, is a lie. There is some friends that dem be barrier. I know what they call barrier. If you are following them, no good thing will be coming out. There's some friends that you will see, when you follow them, you will see the kind of advice they will be giving to you. Even there is friend that you're doing, they will be going out to your husbands. There's some friend you will do, they will be telling you how to control your own family, but they are spoiling their own families, even messing up. My dear, beware of the kind of friends that you do in this world now. They will give you bad advice. They will make you and your husband to get problem. They will make you and your fiancé to have a very big problem. They will tell you, my husband give me a big money to cook soup. My husband do this. My husband buy jeep for me, even 350. Even this one G-Wagon. So if your husband don't have that motor, you don't have one to buy that motor for you. So the man will go and kill himself because of bad friends. My dear, forget these friends they are doing, all these rubbish friends. Nonsense friend, you say this one is your friend. No friend. Before you can see friend this world now, my dear, you have to be very, very careful for anything that you are doing in this world. You say anything, your friend, your friend. No friend in this world. Only God is your friend. Just believe that. Because some people want to spoil your marriage, some people want to spoil your relationship, some people, they are just there, they don't want anything good things to happen to you. You are telling them, oh, my husband give me 10,000 to cook. He will tell you, my husband give me wetin be 10,000, why you collect that 10,000 naira? My husband give me almost 50,000. They will put sugar, put salt, put honey, make everything dey sweet. My dear, you will be getting problem with a man that is staying, the man that is trying best for everything. you will be putting pressure for the man. You will be putting every time the man come back, you will be nagging. No be my friend husband give am this one, no be my friend husband give am money, so why you no fit give me that kind of money to cook? How much dey give me? 10,000 naira, I no fit manage am. How much dey give? No be this 20,000. My friend say im husband dey give am 50,000. My dear, beware of that kind of friends. Oh, they are just deceiving you. There's just, even some of them, their eye dey your husband eyes. Those women that are telling like that, some of them their eye they find as you go take comot make them feel enter sef for your husband side. Even those one wey don marry, you go see them, their eye still dey for to that your friend husband, their friend husband, to sleep with their friend husband. You say my friend, I'm doing friend you be doing, you be laughing at you be making you like this. You think that you and your friend is been, you be telling you, I cannot take that. Oh, I cannot take that. Oh, I can never take that. I can never do like that. My dear, forget. If you know what the woman they see inside, if you tell him, oh no, ogwagenkie okanjo, you understand? But your own will be doing, they will be telling you, we are this, we are that. You understand me? They'll be telling you, I'm this, I'm that. You think you and them stay. If you and them to stay, you think that we are together. Nothing, my dear. As you just dey comot there, na so you go see am go enter. You go even be say you don't get his friend the way be say you won't organize with am. You don't know. You dey they say your friend, my husband, him husband buy Jeep for her. My husband buy Range Rover Sports for her. So if your husband no get money, make him go kill himself, make him go die. Say because of the money. You understand? My dear, una dey careful. Make your friends know they pursue you for your husband house. Make they no pursue you for your husband house. You think you have a friend. They are deceiving you. They are just deceiving you. Big one. Oh. You see a single girl, have a good somebody. Okay, you just go and meet his friend, and that his friend is married. Though, you just want to know. Let me see. This my friend will give me good advice, how to do, or how the kind of good advice I say sister, say friend. The woman will be talking rubbish. My sister, forget to shine your eye. Do this one. The guy get money. The guy do okay. The guy wetin bring for you as he come. So those kind of, they will be giving you one kind stupid. They will be giving you one kind of stupid this thing. You understand? You think you and them are the same. They will be giving you fake advice. You know, say they just want to pursue you. Come out. So if you say a man we won't marry you, go come they use longer throat of property or for money or for things where the man will give you. You know, say the man just won't try you, want to know the kind of person you are. Are you a good person or not? You use longer throat because of your friend tell you say you need the guy get money, the guy do okay, make you check before you go and make you check, you know the kind what way the man wants. My dear, you're killing yourself. In the husband house, they manage with your husband, even though your husband don't get 1 naira. In there they manage, but think they tell you, they command you, you go there own, they tell you how to take care of your own family, how to take care of your own husband. Just dey careful, my dear. Una dey careful for this world. Oh. No friend, all these fake friends wey una dey say una dey do. I don't do friend, nothing again. Even since when I know they follow friends, now I even get sense. Since when I know they follow friends, now I even get, you know what you say, now I even achieve what I never achieved before. Since when I know they make friends. Before I dey make friend. I no see wetin anything that they gain. No gain, no good advice. You can never need help wey friend they go help you. Any of them wey you call for help, you go see them, then go say, I no get money, I no do this, I no do that. But when they need your help, you will fight for them to the core. You will stand for them 24 hours. If they need anything, you do for them. But they can never stand for. Instead, they will spoil your name. They will go back because they are married. They will tell you say if you are shower, the woman na ashawo. You understand me? They will be spoiling your name. Why wetin dem dey see for that their marriage sef, you sef wey dey single even better pass them because of their character, evil heart. You have to dey careful for the kind of friends that you are making. The kind of friends wey be say you go say my friend, the kind of friend that you are doing, the kind of friend wey you dey do, you go think say you and person dey. The kind of friend that you are doing, you say my friend, anything my friend do this, my friend do that. Nonsense friend wey dem dey do for this world. You have to be very very careful the kind of friend that you are doing. Friends wey go deceive you, tell you say me I'm your friend, I'm your good friend. Which friend dem be? Friends wey cannot stand for you. Friends wey be say dem go dey deceive you. If the man go give you money to cook, the one wey him get, you go say my friend, him husband dey give am 50, why dey give me small money? You go come dey put problem, dey put pressure for the man. Abeg, make woman, make una get sense. Abeg, make una just get sense well well. Make una no dey fuck up. Una dey fuck up big time o. Make una no dey fuck up. Make you dey there, make somebody pursue you for your husband, or make you dey there, make somebody pursue you for your relationship. Somebody wey wan marry you, they go drive her out because of the kind word wey your friends dey tell you. No dey lis ten to friends. Friends can put you in the condition that you dey surprise, a bad condition that you will be. You see which kind of a friends is this. My dear, be careful for the kind of friends that you're doing. You understand? My brothers and sisters, I love you all. Just try and subscribe. AB Media #1. Love you all. Bye.